Beekeeping. Beekeeping is concerned with the commercial production of honey and wax. This practice of beekeeping is called apiculture. Beekeeping is a low investment, less problematic and highly profitable business. Therefore, farmers practice it as an additional source of income. Important products of beekeeping are honey and bee wax. Honey, a sweet edible fluid containing sugar, water, mineral, vitamins, amino acids, enzymes and pollen. It is a direct source of energy, helping in growth of our body and also acts as a blood purifier. Bee wax. It is secreted by wax glands of the worker bees used for construction of beehive. Varieties of honeybee used for honey production. In India, local varieties as well as exotic varieties are used for commercial production of honey. The local varieties are Apis cerana indica, Indian bee, Apis florea, little bee, etc. The most commonly used exotic variety is Apis mellifera. The Italian honeybee Apis mellifera has been introduced in India to produce honey and wax at commercial level. It is highly preferred because it is gentle in nature. It has high honey collection capacity. It stings less. It has more ability to protect itself from enemies. Honeybees. Honeybees represent a well-organized division of labor. Each colony has 3 different castes: 1 queen, workers and soldiers. Commercial production of honey. For commercial honey production, bee farms or apiaries are established. Availability of flowering plants for collection of nectar and pollen is called pasturage. It plays an important role in the quantity and quality of honey. Pasturage of mountains is different from that of plains, and the taste of honey depends upon type of flowers available for pasturage. Selection of bee variety is another factor playing a role in the commercial production of honey. At present, Italian variety is largely used in apiary and it yields an average of 50 to 200 kg of honey per year.